Please allow me to introduce myself. I am Rahma Khaled from Egypt, the land of pharaohs, one of six most ancient civilizations globalized as success came from its ability to adapt and the urge to fight and survive. I studied I study at the Elson Institute for Tourism and Hotel Management as it prepares me for my future work and career, which I have already started by working in the public affairs communication department at Coca-Cola. متلازمة داون نقدر نتغلب عليها وكمان نعيش حياة طبيعية. أنا تعبت وبذلت جهد وحققت نجاح كبير في الدراسة وفي في الدراسة وفي الرياضة وعموما في الحياة، وأنا وكل أصحابي ندافع إن احنا نعيش حياة طبيعية. وشكرا.